I just wanted to talk about one of the most important, if not the most important, elements of an exterior windowsill. The whole point of an exterior windowsill is to get the rainwater away from the house. That's why, like this one, it's extended away from the house so that the rainwater will stay away and not get into your house and rot it out and cause you all kinds of problems. With that, there is one little element, and it's right back here, and it's called a drip groove or a rain channel. So it's just very simple, just a little groove that goes along the entire bottom side of the sill. And what this does is, let's say it's raining and rainwater comes along the top of your sill and it's being pushed out like it's supposed to be away from the house. What can happen is that water will follow this path up this way, and if that channel isn't there, it could get to your house and cause you issues in the future. But if this groove is here, then the water won't be able to travel up. Instead, it will get here and that path will be broken and it'll drip to the ground. So when I did my new sill, I made sure to add a drip groove right here so that I wouldn't have any issues in the future. After posting another video about this drip groove, I learned a couple things. One, there is a million names for it. Drip groove, drip channel, rain cap, capillary groove, capillary break. You get the point. I could go on forever. And the second thing is that people didn't believe that it worked. So I'm going to include some footage of this actually working by me running some water down this sill.